In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an invoice in Zoho Books. We'll go through the entire process step by step so that, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in creating and customizing invoices tailored to your business needs. Let's dive right in. The process is quite straightforward, and we'll start from the main dashboard of Zoho Books. Begin by navigating over to the Sales section, which you can find quite easily on the main menu. It's from here that we'll be able to manage all our sales transactions, including creating those all-important invoices. Once you're in the Sales section, look for the Invoices tab. This is the hub for all your billing needs, allowing you to view past invoices and check their statuses. From pending payments to finalized transactions, this section gives you a clear overview of your financial interactions with clients. To generate a new invoice, you'll simply need to click the Plus New button. This brings up a fresh invoice template for you to fill out. When you click Plus New, you'll find yourself looking at a blank invoice form that's ready for customization. Here's where you tailor the invoice to fit your business's specific requirements. You'll start by entering all the necessary client information. This includes the client's name, contact details, and billing address. It's important to ensure that these details are correct, as any inaccuracies could lead to delays in payment. Next, move to the Items section of the invoice. This is where you list the products or services you're billing for. Take a moment to carefully enter each item, including the descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. This detail ensures that there's clarity on what the invoice is billing the client for and helps in avoiding any potential confusion down the line. Once your items are listed, you'll notice that Zoho Books will automatically calculate subtotals, taxes, and the grand total for you. If your business handles sales tax or VAT, make sure the relevant rates are applied to the invoice. This way, your invoice not only looks professional, but is also compliant with accounting standards. Before you finalize the invoice, consider adding a personal touch with a custom message or note at the bottom. This could be anything from a simple thank you for the client's business to specific instructions regarding payment terms. These messages can foster better business relationships and clarify expectations. After reviewing your invoice for accuracy, you'll be ready to complete the process. At this point, you can either save it as a draft or send it directly to the client via email. Zoho Books makes it easy to manage how you distribute finalized invoices, whether you choose to do it digitally or prefer a physical copy. There you have it, a customized invoice ready to go. With these steps, generating invoices in Zoho Books becomes a smooth, efficient process that you can quickly adapt to your business routine. A well-prepared invoice reflects professionalism and ensures timely payments, so practice these steps to get comfortable with this essential business task. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!